the strategic HR, moving from the office to the boardroom. Welcome back. Let's be honest. For a long time, the rest of the business viewed HR as a compliance police or the department that plans the holiday party. The role of HR has changed forever. In 2026, being an HR professional isn't about filing paperwork, it's about driving business results, managing AI integration, and architecting company culture. In this video, we break down the 5 essential shifts every HR professional needs to make to stay relevant and lead their organization into the future. What we cover: data-driven HR, making decisions with numbers, not gut feel. The AI Copilot, how to use automation without losing the human. Culture as strategy, building a workplace that attracts top 1% talent. The seat at the table, how to speak the language of CEOs and CFOs. But look at the world around us. In 2026, the biggest challenges companies face, talent shortages, remote culture burnout, and AI displacement, are all people problems. That means the HR professional is now the most important person in the building. But only if you know how to shift from transactional to strategic. Section 1: Becoming Data Literate. The first shift is moving from I feel to the data shows. CEOs don't care about low morale in the abstract. They care about retention ROI. Key action: start tracking predictive analytics. Instead of just reporting who left, use data to predict who is at risk of leaving in the next 6 months. When you bring data to a meeting, you aren't just an HR manager, you're a business strategist. Section 2: The AI-Human Partnership. Stop worrying that AI is going to take your job. AI is going to take the boring parts of your job. The goal: use AI for screening resumes, scheduling, and basic FAQ bots. The result: this frees you up for high-touch HR, coaching managers, resolving complex conflicts, and long-term succession planning. If a task is repetitive and predictable, automate it. If it requires empathy and nuance, that is where you shine. Section 3: Architecting Culture in a Hybrid World. Culture isn't about the office snacks anymore. It's about psychological safety and flexibility. Key action: audit your digital employee experience. Does your remote team feel as connected as the people in the office? In 2026, your employer brand is built on how you treat people when nobody is watching. Section 4: Speaking the Language of Business. If you want a seat at the table, you have to speak the language of the table. That language is finance and strategy. Don't talk about training hours. Talk about upskilling for market competitiveness. Don't talk about employee happiness. Talk about engagement-driven productivity. Conclusion and call to action. The human in human resources has never been more important, but the resources part now requires a high-tech, high-data approach. You have the power to shape the future of work. Don't waste it on spreadsheets. I've put an HR strategic roadmap template in the description below to help you plan your department's 2026 goals. What is the number one thing stopping you from being more strategic in your current role? Let's troubleshoot together in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights into the world of modern HR. See you in the next video.